my god! Oh my god! Get it? What's up and welcome to another episode of Gizmo Slip. Today I've got something super special for you. We are going to find out if a block of ice can protect an iPhone 10 from a flaming red hot bear trap. We've got 6 propane blowtorches to make this bear trap as red hot as possible. We've got the block of ice right over here if you want to come check it out. This is an iPhone 10 that's been in the freezer now for a couple days. Check it out. You can see that iPhone 10 right in the middle of the block of ice, both left, right centered and top, bottom centered. So there'll be 2 things that'll be super interesting about this test. First, will the bear trap just crush the ice and get straight to the phone, or will the ice stop it? And then number 2, if the ice does stop it, will the flaming red hot bear trap actually like melt through the ice and eventually crush that iPhone 10? We've got Chad here. We've got the block of ice. Check it out.
Ooh. It's like a winter wonderland right there.
I have high hopes, actually. I think this iPhone will survive.
I think you're crazy.
Yeah, maybe I am. We gotta find a way to prep the bear trap and get 6 propane blowtorches on it so that it gets hot when it's primed. This is gonna be complex. So, I'm thinking we'll just have you hold all 6 of them, Chad.
All 6 of them?
Yeah, just hold all 6. Darren can put his hand in the bear trap and make sure it's working.
he can drop.
I can just test it with my forearm.
When it comes down to it, you put yourself in the face of danger, don't you, Brandon?
Quite literally right now. Oh my god. Lick that.
Lick it?
No. Our goal right now is to wire these propane blowtorches so that they heat different parts of the bear trap so that they're stable enough so that if it does fall over, we're good. So this is the setup we have now. We're not keeping this setup.
Yeah, seriously.
So there's a million things that could go wrong here. The main issue here is that we're dropping a giant ice block, and we don't want the ice block, I don't know, maybe dropping, hitting one of the propane tanks, and then causing a rupture, propane tank explosion. It'd be really bad. So instead of this, we're gonna have the propane tanks be pulled away. So we actually have to undo our masterfulness. This is masterful craftsmanship here.
I thought it was pretty good.
It was until we realized how bad it was.
Yeah, that's true. It was not so good.
So instead of this ridiculous setup, we're gonna have Chad and Darren hold 3 propane
that's less ridiculous.
It's gonna be good. Yeah, totally. Okay, so we're ready to go finally after an hour and a half of prep. This is what we got. We got a triple blowtorch. The goal here is to probably spend about a few minutes trying to get it red hot with blowtorches on each side, and then I'm gonna drop the block of ice just in there. There you go. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good.
This is a real thing right now. This is happening. Yep.
Pictures of ice. Oh my god, look at that thing. Okay, so look at it. That's amazing. Oh my god, it's a red hot bear trap.
Buddy.
Oh my god. Okay, so we got a red hot part of the bear trap right there. We got a really red hot part of the bear trap right here. Take the thing away there. Oh my god, it's yellow red hot. Oh my god. Okay, so we're ready. So in order to get the slow-mo shot at all, we have to turn the lights on. It's gonna make it harder to see the red hot part of it, but it will be red hot, even though we might not be able to see it very well. All right, here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and back up. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that scares me.
Oh,
look at that.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Oh
Is
my
it gonna
god.
get it?
Oh. Oh my god.
You can hear it.
So sick.
Oh my god.
You want to turn on the lights?
I time it perfectly too.
Oh my gosh, that looks so sick.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Right?
That is incredible.
The ice completely stops the bear trap.
And then just
but the heat melts right through the ice.
It just keeps on going and keeps on going.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my goodness.
You can see it's already like starting to like sizzle into the center.
Oh, you can see smoke and steam coming off that ice right now.
Yeah, especially right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's a
It looks like a straight up rainstorm happening right now.
Here we go.
The flame moves away.
The flame moves away. You can totally see the red hot part of the. You see it right there? Oh my god. All right, here we go.
Here comes the first little droplets.
In. Trap springs.
God.
Right side. Left side.
Oh my god.
I love that.
Wow.
Got the death grip on the phone.
Water is just flowing, shooting out of that.
Oh yeah.
Right now. It's like a squirt gun of water coming out of that. Oh, and you can see it's like reddish on the left side, a reddish tint from the red hot aspect of it. It's coloring the whole left side of the ice.
Yep, that's sick. It's just refracting right through all that ice.
Oh, I see it right
you see
there.
it?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's like a sun flare.
It's getting brighter and brighter.
Flowing water.
Look underneath here. Like the water tension's keeping it on the ice itself. So down on the bottom, it is just straight becoming a river.
Tons of it.
Beautiful.
Oh my god, this is such a great chat. By the way, Chad had this idea, so props to Chad.
I did not think this was actually gonna happen. I was like, wouldn't it be funny if? And he's like,
How about it? Jeez, it literally melted right through. The ice actually survived, but like
is the phone, is it still going through it?
It's going through that.
That's so sick.
Holy crap. Oh, it's got the phone, dude.
It's got the phone in the clamp.
It's in the tooth. Oh my god.
We're gonna have a melted right through the middle of it.
Oh, it's actually stuck in there pretty good. It's so hot.
Do not touch that. That's way too hot.
I would say the bear trap won this one pretty handedly. Oh my god.
Oh, is that plastic melted down the backside? Oh, watch out. It's going.
Oh my god. Oh,
Right there it is.
oh, it's in the phone.
Plastic around it?
Yeah. I had a plastic thing
Oh, no, hold it.
holding the phone in the middle of the ice. So watch out.
Here we go.
Oh, is it? Oh, here it goes.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's got a hole right through it, and it looks like it's singed too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
it's turning on.
no! Yeah. The Apple symbol
the Apple
flashed.
Are you serious?
Yes. Oh my! I bet you it's done now. It like came on and then it flashed, and now it's probably never turning on again. But the display worked with a green line for like a millisecond.
Want me to try to pull it out? Oh, nope, you got it.
I'll bet you it's done.
The screen has to be done.
The back doesn't. It's not fully punctured at least.
No, I cannot believe the ice worked that well.
What happened was when I was pulling out of the bear trap, the tape pushed it to the on position, and then it immediately like fried itself with the water on the inside. So there you go, a red hot bear trap absolutely trumps.
It tramps all over the place.
Trumples. A freaking block of ice. I gotta say, I'm impressed. It was still so hot that it was melting the ice like 10 minutes later. It was freaking nuts. That's it for this episode of Gizmo Slip. We'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon out.